Today is September 16th and it's 10:32 a.m. This is the US dollar, Canadian dollar Forex pair, and prices skyrocketed this morning. It's gone vertical. It's about to hit my take profit level here. I've actually been moving it up. So my entry was down here at 1.262. I got in last night at 9:30, and it just went sideways during the overnight session. But this morning, when the market opened, the stock market opened, it just, as the stock market S&P 500 was coming down, the dollar just shot up. So I've been watching both the S&P and this Forex trade simultaneously. So I've been moving up my stop. But I think I'm about to close it out because it's reached the high from, when was this? September 14th. So I just moved it up so this way I could capture the recording because it's up to here. I don't know if it's going to get here. It probably will, considering the S&P has been it's falling pretty hard right now. But I'm just going to close it out here. I don't want to get too greedy or anything like that. I just want to show that based on my earlier recording from a week ago or so, I've been trading this pair since then. So I've been trading it as price has been fluctuating up and down. Like I caught a piece of this, I caught some of this, and I caught all of this. So I came close to getting stopped out this morning, and I missed it by that much. So yeah, so here's my entry and here's the low. So I came very close to getting stopped out. Fortunately, it didn't happen and it just went the opposite direction after that. So if I click on show trade, hopefully it'll appear. Yeah, so here's my flag indicator of my entry. I picked up one mini lot at $1.26. So it's been going, you know, that way. So and one mini lot isn't that much. I mean, I don't trade FX too often, but I don't want to risk too much. So one mini lot right now it's picked me up almost $30. So, I mean, it's a small gain. I'll take it. So it looks like it's going to pull back. See, had I not moved my stop higher, because I wanted to record this, I would have been stopped out already. So I'm just going to move it back down here because I had it here at 68 pips. So from this entry to where my trend line ends, it's a measure of 68 pips. So not including the last digit, it's 68 pips. So let me just move it right back down. If I can grab it. Yeah, so it's right there. Yeah, I would have been stopped out. I would have closed this trade already. So anyway, that's it. That's another update for the US dollar Canadian Forex pair. Until the next one. So I came back in, just want to see if it does get over and reach my stop. I don't know how much longer I'll record this, but let me just close the window. And what I have here while we're waiting, what I have here is an OCO order. It's, I have one stop here and one take profit. So whichever order is filled first, it will automatically cancel out or simultaneously cancel out the other order. It's OCO. So my stop was here because I had this during the overnight session. But again, this morning, I think I had this at like 18 pips. So I had an 18 pip stop and an 18 pip take profit, but since it started moving up, I've been moving my take profit level gradually ahead of price. So this is where it's at right now. So I'm not even going to cancel this, considering how close where price is now to my take profit level. Okay, so I think what's going to happen is because it just went straight up, I think it's going to pull back and then go up later. So that would be a two-legged pullback. So this would be the first leg, this straight up. Well, it wouldn't be straight up. So the first leg would be something like this. It goes up, the second leg goes down, and then shoots back up. So that would be a two-legged pullback, right? So I'll give it another minute or so, and then I'll pause the recording. All right, I'm just going to pause it. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm still waiting. So I'm looking at the SPX, and it looks like bulls are trying to step in to stop the bleeding. And my perspective is that there's correlation. So whenever the SPX goes up, the dollar goes down, and vice versa. So during last night's trading session, I saw that price was being rejected right here. At this level. So that's why as price retested this level, I had an order to buy into the into this position going into the overnight session. And yesterday afternoon when the market closed, or as the market was closing, I saw that the SPX didn't look too strong at the close, and I was anticipating that there was going to be a probability that it was going to be a down day today, and I was following the ES futures as well, and that was also teetering sideways last night. So All this downside started happening pre-market and has continued coming down for the S&P 500. So hopefully this is the last minute or so. I'm just rambling on right now at this point. So I'm just going to mute myself. Or maybe not. Come on. All this for $32. Come on, give it to me. Again, here's my entry. This is the 10,000, which stands for 1 mini lot. And this is my current P&L right now. So trading ForEx, I only put in like $600 to fund this trading account. So that's why I'm only doing 1 mini lot. Now for other exotic or other major pairs, like the euro, the amount I put in isn't enough to cover. So that's why I'm only trading the US dollar. I like trading the US Canadian pair as well as the Aussie US pair. And what was the other one? The Kiwi dollar pair I like to trade because it has some correlation, like a dollar for dollar move. Oh, come on. All right, I'm going to pause it again. Here's my stop. And I need the ask. I'm sorry, I need the bid to hit this. Here we go. This is the bid. I need bid to hit my price level here. There it is. Sold, and I got $35.90. Awesome. All right, so I'm just gonna wait for another one. I think it's gonna hit resistance up here. I don't think it's gonna go too much higher before it starts consolidating for another leg up. The S&P 500 is coming down, so there's a high probability that I'll jump in at another day or maybe another few hours to take the second leg up. I just don't want to get bogged down in all this sideways stuff. It's not worthwhile like this. I mean, I could have shorted it here, but it's not really, you know, I want to catch it like here, just as when it starts to break down. So those are the setups I'm looking for. I'm looking for the breakout, essentially. So I'll just sit back and I'll look at the S&P. I've got other trades going on, so I'll do updates on those as well. So until the next trade, see ya.